So we are taking the lunch over here. The gentleman is also helping. I don't know how much will it come, but definitely it will be reasonable because don't forget it's Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is very cheap country as compared to the others. The milk, I think horse milk, something like that. These are the sweets. So friends, as I have told you that I am hungry, so I've taken this, see the special Uzbek dish with salad, with salads and the brown bread and the pomegranate juice. These are the things which I am taking all together, including my friends, it's coming only 8 US dollars. It's really cheap as compared to any other country. Very tasty. Excellent. Really very tasty. Believe me, very tasty. Uzbek food are really very tasty.